Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use Find My iPhone from computer. First of all, open a browser and launch iCloud.com and make sure to sign in here using your Apple ID. And once you're here, scroll down and click on Find My. And give here your Apple ID password and click on sign in. And then click on all devices and select the device which you want to find. And that's how you'll be able to use Find My iPhone from computer. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.